Heidi, and I'm going to show you the new features of the new version of RadCORE. In standalone version, you can now see the application name, version, and port that has been defined. It's a simple feature but very useful when you have multiple applications running. The purchase registration form example was improved and had some bugs corrected. In the user registration form, the layout of the permission options were redefined. Remembering that all these options are dynamically created by RadCORE. You don't need to add any of these components. In the new version, we will now have another layout option for our entries. With that, RadCORE now offers 3 models to choose from. There have also been improvements in dynamic attributes, so you can choose how many records should be displayed on the first presentation of your form. Let's see below a video showing all these details, okay? enjoyed the video. If you liked it, click on like to help the RadCORE project. If you want to know RadCORE, call Flavio on WhatsApp, on Telegram, or send him an email. Okay? Until next time and good studies.